Hi, welcome to the comprehensive exam. So this video I'm just going to show you a little bit kind of what this is going to look like. So you'll notice on your home page that these are the professors that will be administering and also reviewing comprehensive exams. So the very first thing you want to do, and the view that you're seeing here is going to be a little bit different than what you see, okay? But you'll want to go over here to modules. You can click down here on modules or the top left-hand side. And so when you come in, the three things that you're going to see initially is comprehensive exam, instructions, course selection, APA format. So what do you need to know? So there are three parts of this comprehensive exam. You get a research component, you get a class of your choosing, and then I select a class based on your field of study. You have to make 80%. It's very important that you make 80% on your exam. You make sure you provide me the class. I'll show you that here in a moment. There's a due date for that. And then also please note that there is a rubric that we use in order to evaluate your program, your questions. Hang on, let me just bring that up here in a moment so you can see that. Okay, so this rubric is what we use to ultimately evaluate your progress. Please use that. Please review this before you do your comprehensive exam. So we look at knowledge, we look at the foundations of your knowledge and application. So if you will review those, that'll give you some insight on how we are assessing your comprehensive exam. I'm going to close it for a moment. It's going to go back to your course. If you don't make 80%, we'll do some remedial work with you. And also very, very, very important, some students take the comprehensive exam but they don't have a 3.0 on their GPA. It's extremely important that you have a 3.0. I cannot graduate you if you do not have a 3.0. So I'm going to go back here to modules. Okay, course submission, you're going to see what I'm asking for here is the course from which you would like your comprehensive exam. The due date for this is January the 20th, so please pay attention to that. You'll submit that in the text box and then I will receive that. The next very, very important, this is extremely important, okay, is APA format. You guys have done this throughout your course. This is the web page. If you click on that, it's going to take you to the Purdue web page where you can do APA format, and then I have you guys take a quiz on APA format. I will tell you that most people get their exams turned back because they haven't done APA format, so please pay attention to that. And there's your quiz. You've got 15 questions on your quiz. So once you've done those three aspects of the comprehensive exam, you'll see this exam submission. You're not seeing it right now because I haven't highlighted it and I haven't opened that. So once you've done these three, we will begin that process of taking your comprehensive exams. So hopefully that has been helpful.